Tyler. I'm the maid of honor, and Savannah and I have been friends since we've been 6. First memories. She was a wuss. Molly and I always had good ideas and she never wanted to participate. So Molly and I, we were coming home from swimming, we were walking, and Molly and I were mooning all the cars, and Savannah's like, my dad wouldn't approve of this, you guys are bad and this is immature, and etc, etc. What I love most about her is that she's strong and she makes a decision and stands by her word, and she is legit.
I'm Molly. I'm one of the bridesmaids. I've known her since we started elementary school. Me, her, and Tyler used to unload hay for my parents all the time, and I had a pool and we always had pool parties all the time, and that was always fun. But yeah, like Tyler said before, we were bad influences on her. We were always pushing her to do things that she didn't want to do, but that was it always made it fun that way, I guess. She is someone that you can always go to talk to if you ever have like a problem, or someone that she's very easy to talk to.
So Savannah will be my sister-in-law. Spencer and Savannah had a conversation about deer hunting, and he had said that my sister hunts and she shot a bigger buck than her husband. So that kind of broke the ice. Savannah's a deer hunter as well. She was very nervous to meet his family and his sisters, and you know, you get that weak knees and shaky knee feeling, but we just loved her. She came to Christmas, was the first time we met her, and she's just a doll.
The first time I met Savannah, actually had time to interact with her, was at my wedding. Spencer brought her as a +1, and we squeezed her into the mix. She came here and got her hair done, and she was so precious and sweet. But I want to jump to when I really got to know Savannah. We actually took her to Vegas for her 21st. We tend to always have one night that it's like 4 a.m., you know, things are kind of closing down and we are not ready to be done yet, so we go off somewhere talking. We found this big grand hallway, like the grandest of grand. You could hold a convention in this hallway. It was beautiful and there was no one in it. So we were doing cartwheels and headstands, and like, it was the best ever. And then we all just like laid there on the floor and talking to her about life and Spencer and how much we would still love her even if they weren't together. No, you know, talking about no pressure and everything, and now she's gonna be with us forever. And I'm really excited about it.
My name's Tammy Stanek, and I've known Savannah since like 4th grade. Junior high, we were in band together. We all 4 of us that hung out, we all played the clarinet and doing makeovers and talking about, you know, our dream wedding day, and here we are. She's a very caring person. She's always there when you need her. She'll do anything for you. So.
Desiree Person, and I met her at Gilman Cheese when I first met her. She was just a sweet little girl. I was scared at work and didn't know what to do and was worried about doing everything. So, well, we always hang out together, and when we were like 2nd year of knowing each other, we built a caterpillar out of Rice Krispies. It's like a heart attack if someone ever ate it, but it was fun, a lot of fun, and then we always got together after work and hung out, and everything was. We always have a good time at Country Jam and everything. It's just fun, bubbly, always happy. No matter what time, if it's stressful or not, she's just happy in general.